In this video, you'll learn how to rate a professional on Wecasa. This guide explains the process from completing your appointment to submitting your feedback through the satisfaction survey. By following these steps, you will be able to share your experience effectively. First, complete your appointment with the professional. It is essential to wait until your session has finished before proceeding to the next step. This ensures that you are providing feedback based on the full experience rather than a partial one. After your session concludes, check your email for the satisfaction survey. You will receive this survey shortly after each appointment. If this is your first booking, you will also receive the survey via SMS and an app notification. Ensure you check all these sources to access the survey promptly. Upon receiving the survey, fill it out by rating your professional on several criteria: courtesy, quality of service, and equipment used. You will also find a free comment section where you can add additional remarks about your experience. This feedback is valuable for both the professional and potential future clients. When completing the survey, you will have the option to make your review public, which means it will be visible on the professional's profile, or to keep it private. Choose the option that best reflects your preference for sharing your feedback. If you cannot locate the email with the satisfaction survey, an alternative method exists. Open the Wecasa app and navigate to the My Appointments. Look for the satisfaction survey link there. You can fill out the survey through the email or directly in the app. Keep in mind that reviews will only become available after the session has taken place, ensuring that your feedback is based on your actual experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.